Welcome to our roundup of the best electric kettles you can buy today. Whether you're a tea enthusiast, a coffee lover, or simply someone who enjoys a quick and efficient way to boil water, we've selected top-rated kettles that combine style, performance, and smart functionality. From precision temperature control to portable designs and premium glass builds, these electric kettles deliver both beauty and practicality. We'll explore their heating speed, design, build quality, smart features, and ease of use to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen or travel needs. Let's get started and discover which one suits your lifestyle best. The first on the list is the Jalebo Blue Glass Electric Kettle. This model is a showstopper with its eye-catching blue LED illumination that makes every boil a visual treat. Designed for both performance and aesthetics, it features a rapid boil 1,500-watt system that heats water faster than standard kettles, ideal for busy mornings. The high borosilicate glass and stainless steel base not only enhance durability, but also ensure the water remains pure and free from plastic aftertaste. With a 1.7-liter capacity, it's perfect for families or tea gatherings. The kettle includes 360-degree rotational base technology for easy handling, along with auto shutoff and boil-dry protection for added safety. Overall, the Jalebo Blue Glass Kettle is a stunning blend of performance and beauty. It's ideal for anyone who values speed, safety, and a bit of modern flair in their daily tea or coffee routine. Next up is the Smang Smart Thermostatic Glass Electric Kettle. This is a beautifully designed smart kettle built for modern kitchens. With its precise temperature control, users can select the ideal heat setting for tea, coffee, or even baby formula. The kettle maintains the chosen temperature for up to 12 hours, ensuring you always have hot water ready when you need it. Powered by a high-efficiency 1,500-watt heating system, it brings water to a boil in under 5 minutes, saving both time and energy. The borosilicate glass body not only gives it an elegant appearance, but also resists high temperatures and stains, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Its smart LED touchscreen panel adds a futuristic feel, allowing you to control and monitor temperatures at a glance. Overall, the Smang Smart Thermostatic Kettle delivers a perfect balance of intelligence, design, and convenience. It's a premium choice for users who want both style and functionality on their countertop. Next, we have the Gooseneck Electric Kettle, a must-have for coffee enthusiasts who appreciate precision brewing. This kettle's narrow curved spout ensures perfect water flow control, which is essential for pour-over coffee or delicate tea steeping. Built with 304 food-grade stainless steel, it guarantees durability and pure taste with no metallic flavor. Its precise temperature adjustment system lets users select from multiple presets, ensuring consistent brewing every time. The ergonomic design makes it lightweight and easy to handle, while the anti-slip handle offers firm control during pouring. With its 1,000-watt fast-boil heating element, the Gooseneck kettle reaches the ideal temperature in just minutes, saving time while maintaining precision. Overall, the Gooseneck electric kettle stands out for its accuracy, sleek design, and barista-level control. It's the ultimate pick for coffee lovers who want to master their brewing technique at home. Next, we have the Jalebo Folding Portable Electric Kettle, designed for travelers and adventurers who never want to be without hot water. This compact kettle can collapse to half its size, fitting easily into a backpack or suitcase. Despite its portable form, it delivers a powerful 800-watt heating performance, quickly boiling water for coffee, tea, or instant meals. Its food-grade silicone body ensures safety, flexibility, and easy cleaning, while the stainless steel heating base guarantees longevity and efficient heat distribution. The foldable handle adds portability, and the simple one-button operation makes it effortless to use on the go. Dual voltage support allows you to use it internationally, making it a reliable travel companion for business trips, camping, or hotel stays. Overall, this portable kettle combines innovation and practicality, offering the perfect solution for travelers who need hot water anytime, anywhere. The last one on our list is the Xiaomi Smart Kettle 2 Pro. This is a next-generation appliance that blends intelligence with exceptional craftsmanship. With its intelligent temperature control system, users can precisely heat water anywhere from 40 to 100 degrees Celsius. The smart app connectivity allows remote operation, real-time temperature tracking, and even voice control through compatible devices. Its dual-layer heat-insulated body keeps the exterior cool while maintaining internal heat for hours. The 1,800-watt heating element ensures ultra-fast boiling, and the seamless stainless steel interior prevents scale buildup, keeping the water clean and pure. The large 1.7-liter capacity makes it ideal for families, while the 360-degree rotational base ensures easy handling. A hidden LED indicator and minimalist design give it a premium, futuristic aesthetic that fits perfectly in modern kitchens. Overall, the Xiaomi Smart Kettle 2 Pro offers the ultimate fusion of innovation, style, and precision, making it an outstanding addition to any smart home setup. So, that's it for our roundup of the best electric kettles available right now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected and keep brewing your perfect cup.